Hello, everybody. Welcome. Day 15 already? Yes, it's day 15 already. For with our beautiful project, 31 Miniatures to Color by Kameliya and Jakova. And we are almost at the halfway point. Almost. I'm counting day 16 as halfway point. Yesterday we did this gorgeous little mandrake. I think it's a kind of a mandrake. It's a mix between a mushroom and a mandrake. And today we are going to do this one. I always dread doing skeletons because to me it's a little bit more boring than other ones. This one I'm looking forward to for tomorrow. This is going to be pinks, blues, purples. Really girly. And this one I'm looking forward to. So we just keep going. I picked some supplies, a little color palette, and there is one new one here. And I wanted to do that for, let me zoom you in a little bit more, for the, how do you call this in English? Chandelier? I don't know. The thing that holds the candle. This is the Super Golden Marker. It's by Guangna. There used to be a hype a couple of months ago. I think it's a half year ago. There was a pack of 6 or 7. I hardly use these ones, but I thought I wanted to do a little bit of a shine in here. So I pulled this one for some embellishments. All right. Let's get a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or something else to drink, your supplies, and let's start coloring. kind of turned out cute. As you can see, the little shine from this one, I like it a lot in this picture. It doesn't have full coverage yet, so I think I'm going to go over it for a second time. I always have to look the what sequence the colors of the candy is, because we don't have this in the Netherlands, so I always have to take a quick peek, and you know what time it is when we have done a page. We can do a leave. This is the color R7. Love a beautiful color, actually. Number 15. We can tick this one off the list. And tomorrow it will be the halfway point, folks. Number 16. We have come so far already. Absolutely. Well, I'm really proud of all of you that are following along on a daily basis, because sometimes it is a little bit hard. But we are done with number 15. Let's see, where did it go? Here it go. And tomorrow, number 16, gonna think about the color palette, what I'm going to do. And as you know, we still have one night to think about that one. But I will hope to see you next time. So tomorrow for number 16, the halfway point in this gorgeous book. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.